Hi, Grace. Thank you for letting us send you this quick video. I'm going to be covering a few simple tips that I believe they're going to be useful for your business on how can you improve your website and how is that going to be looking in terms of improving your online presence. So let's start really quick here on your website. Um, the first thing that I have to tell you, and I tell the same thing to all my customers and the people that I work with, is the lack of content. Um, if you want to be found in Google, your website needs to have content. So, in what I mean by content is not just pictures and some words. You need a lot of words. You need, my suggestion would be having at least just on the homepage between 2,000 and 2,500 words of content, including your keywords that you're going to be found for. That will give you a lot of advantage over your competition. Um, so that will be my first observation here. The other thing that I want to show you is that, for example, if we go to our portfolio, let's see what you have. You need more information, and by that, I would suggest you have a little more of options here in the main menu, just so you can be a little more friendly to anyone that comes into your website. So I don't have too much information here. Let's see if I click on one of these. Um, you have each one of the projects that you guys done, which I think is great. But other than that, you want to change a little bit the layout. You can have your pictures enlarged or a better size, if that makes sense. Um, so let's other than that, let's look on the backend of your website, and we're gonna be comparing you to what I believe your main competition might be. So we use this tool over here, so we can see how many backlinks you have, the keywords that you're being found for. So then explain these really quick. Backlinks are other sites that mention your business or your website, and that gives you power so it can be found on Google. And that's do not in between this thing over here, which is called the domain rating and the URL rating. The URL, when you have backlinks, this number will go up if you have citations. So there are other sites like Yelp, Yellow Pages, or directories that are mentioned in your website specifically with the full name, the address, and your phone number. And these will help you to be found on the map section. I will show you that in a second. But then the domain rating is when the organic search will help you to be found in organic search, and I will show you that as well. So even though you have 71 links, um, these numbers are a little bit too low. You're being found for 271 organic keywords, but let's see if those keywords are actually. I'm sorry. Um, let's see what those keywords are. So we have here. Let's just filter this out, and we can see these are the keywords that you're being found for. Um, it's not too much about relevance that we have here. Uh, Crunch Gym, very important, Brooklyn. And again, it depends on what keywords do you want to be found for. Um, if I go to Google and I do a search architect New Jersey, here's when it comes in place what I was telling you about being in the map section. You might want to be here. So that's where the the URL rating comes in place. So the more citations they have, the chances they're going to be here are going to be higher. And speaking of this, um, there's a 67% chances that people don't even go to the end of the page. So you want to be in this, at least in these top three spots here. Then we have the organic results, which is position 1, 2, 3. This is also where you want to be found because not everybody goes to the second page or not even to the last bottom of the search. So I pulled out this website from Close on Architects, and you can see that they have a little more content than you guys do. And of course, they have more pages, a little layout is a little better. And if we go see the backlinks they have a lot of backlinks, but these numbers are still not that high. So I believe that with a really good marketing campaign, you guys can beat them uh, easily. Um, One thing that you have to understand is that it's not the amount of backlinks that are giving you the power, it's the quality of the backlinks. Not all backlinks or links are created equal. So they can have thousands and thousands of backlinks, but if they're not powerful enough, these numbers are going to be high. So you guys have a little bit of advantage because if you have quality backlinks, this number you can actually beat your competition in in a good in a good matter. Um, Other than that, I want to show you, for example, if this here, um, I can pull out an average of how many searches a month for Architect New Jersey Google provides. So, for example, for this, there's 20 searches a month for just that keyword, and, that's just New Jersey. So, depending on the areas that you guys want to target, I believe you guys are New York, probably Connecticut. Um, those are numbers to consider as well. So, this is something that you might want to take in consideration. Other than that, um, like I said, a little bit of improvement on the website will definitely will help you. And if you have any questions, please let us know. If you have any feedback for us, something we really appreciate that. And if you guys think that we can help you out, uh, please feel free to reach out. Thank you.